Here's a quick overview on how to use the Resistance from Voltage Lab. When you click Begin, you'll get a wire that is connected to a power supply through a current meter. The length of the wire can be read up top. These are in centimeters. You can see the cross section of the wire, and by clicking on the cross section, you can replace the wire with a thinner wire. What you're supposed to do for the different cross sections is adjust your voltage slider until you get a current of approximately 1 amp. You can click at that time and lock the voltage in place. This voltage will tell you the resistance of the wire. The definition of an ohm is the volts required to produce a current of 1 amp. Once you do this for one cross section, you can change the cross section, click on your slider to make it move again, adjust it to a new value, and record your voltage, which again is your resistance, and the area of the cross section of the wire. Once you collect enough data, you can graph it. You should get an inverse relationship, and you should get an equation, including graph constant. At that point, you can click on the Finish button. You could type in the graph constant, and you can make some predictions based on data that you did not collect. The wires for these predictions will be made of the same material and have the same length as our original wire.